Today we are going to see about funnel chart. So already we have discussed few more charts. Now today we are going to see about funnel chart, how to use this funnel. Okay. So here in this funnel, if it is like a bar chart only, but the way of look is quite different. See, the Mumbai sale count is high. It is occupied this much. And also on the top, it is showing some contribution percentage. Mumbai sale value, Chennai sale value. It is aligned like highest to lowest. And what is the contribution? Okay. Here it is taking as a Mumbai is the highest value. So that's why it is taking Mumbai as a target. The target is 100% Mumbai target. And it is checking like Chennai how much percentage is done. And Delhi how much percentage is done compared to Mumbai, because Mumbai is the highest value. So Kolkata how much is done, Hyderabad how much is done, so Indore how much is done. So for example, maybe let me explain how it is calculated. So maybe I'll just show the table, show us table. So here the Mumbai is 36400. Maybe I'll just calculate and I'll show you. So Mumbai it is taking a highest as a 100%. So Mumbai is the highest value. So the Mumbai sale value is 363,400. All right. And so for example, I'll take Indore value. Indore 114800. So what happened, each value it is dividing by Mumbai, because it is taking a target of Mumbai value. So it is taking a target of Mumbai value, and it is providing the calculation like this. I'll make a percentage. So it is showing like 31.59. So here also 31.59. So it is round up and it is showing like 31.6. So somewhere it is correct and somewhere it is wrong actually. What is the wrong in this graph? What is the wrong in this graph? Actually, so the contribution percentage we won't take from the highest value, right? We will take the total value and we will take a contribution. That is the exact contribution. But here they are not taking the total value. They are taking Mumbai as a target and they are comparing into other cities, right? So this is not the exact contribution. So if you want to choose this particular graph, you have to take care whether you want to consider this particular highest value, or if you have grand total, we don't have any problem, because grand total is the highest value. Based on the grand total it will calculate. But now in this scenario we don't have grand total, so automatically what happened, it will taking as a Mumbai is the highest value, it and comparing to Mumbai, what is the Indore sale percentage, what is the contribution of Indore, right? So you have to take care when you are using this funnel, whether it is grand total is there or Mumbai is there. So our highest value it is taking. So if it is taking like this chart is wrong. Okay. So when I'm choosing like, so for example, I'll just change the value. So if I'm taking a south sale, then see here grand total is there. So the grand total is the highest value, it is taking 100%, and based on that it is calculating the contribution and it is providing the furniture is 11.3. Then this one is correct. Why? Because here we have grand total, so it is taking a highest value as grand total. But before it is not taking a highest value. So that's why that is not in a correct format, correct way to use that funnel chart. So you have to take and care whether how it is calculated, whether the contribution is taking correct value or approximately it is taking. If it is approximated, then we can't able to use that funnel chart. If it is like this particular graph, if you have some grand total, if you have some total, then we can go for this funnel chart. Okay, thanks for watching.